Have you ever wanted to digitize your old photos? If so, I'll show you how. My name's Shaman and I make app and website tutorials and reviews on this channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Google Photoscan app. That's a free app that's available on iOS and Android, and it allows you to scan your photos, it auto crops them, removes the glare, removes the shadows, digitizes them, and it does this all within a few seconds right from your smartphone. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is download and install the app. Once you have the app installed, this is what the app icon looks like. I'm going to open it and it says position photo within frame. Now, it's recommended that you lay the photo on a flat surface. And also I recommend putting it on a black background or some kind of a dark background. So I have mine on a black background. I'm going to position the photo within a frame, and you can actually see it's a landscape photo, but I actually have it turned in the portrait mode because it's best to scan in portrait. So I actually have some shadows and some glare in the photo. Don't worry about that because the app will remove that. I'm going to hit this circle on the bottom, and then it's going to give me 4 circles that appear within the image with the arrow pointing to one of the circles. I'm going to move and follow the arrow and place that hollow circle over one of the white circles, and then hold it there until it disappears, and then the arrow tells me to move it over another circle. So once you finish, it's going to give you that green box with the white, the green circle with the white check box in the middle of it. And then on the bottom right of the app, it's going to actually be that photo that you just took. So if I click in there, the first thing you're going to notice is the photo is turned in landscape, which is the correct way. And it removed the shadows and it removed the glare. And it looks really nice and it's digitized, and that only took a few seconds. So I'm going to hit the back button, and this is actually the area of the app where all of the photos that I take will be. So if I had taken other photos, they will be listed here too. Go back once more, and I'm going to actually go into the home page of the app. Now on the bottom left hand side, there is a lightning icon, and that's how you turn the flash on and off. Right now it's on, and it was on when I took the picture, but it only comes on if you need it. So I'm going to hit it and you'll see what it looks like when it's off. Then to the right of that, there's a rectangle that's slightly tilted to the right with 3 stars next to it. So when you hit that, it says glare removal is off. So the glare removal is something that helps make the picture look good. So I would recommend keeping that on. But if it's off, you can take pictures more quickly. And then to the right of that is the circle that you actually tap when you actually want to scan the photos. And to the right of that is the actual photo itself. It'll be a picture of the last image that you scanned. And when you go in there and hit that back button, you'll see all of the photos that you took within this app. And another thing worth noting is the photos that you have taken with this app will also be in your phone's gallery. So it's a pretty neat app that can help you digitize your memories and your photos. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll stay up to date when I release my latest videos. I'll catch you on the next one.